Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff. Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and today we're doing a Jigglypuff inspired makeup. Jigglypuff has been my favorite Pokemon since I was a little girl. I've always identified with Jigglypuff. Even my family members called me Jigglypuff. I've always just been soft, pink, and round, and I love to sing, and then I would get very angry if people did not like my singing. I never drew markers on people. I did Barbie dolls, but not on people. And I love Jigglypuff. It's just so cute, so soft and round, and I've always wanted one. I want Jigglypuff. And with Detective Pikachu coming out, you know your girl had to do some Pokemon looks. I've been wanting to do some, and this just gave me the best excuse to do it. And ever since I saw the Jigglypuff in the preview singing karaoke, I was like, yes, girl, that is me. We are one. Let's go do karaoke. The character design is amazing and so adorable. I'm just obsessed. It's so cute. I haven't seen the movie yet. Don't hate me. I'm seeing it tomorrow with friends. I've had to wait till we could all get together, so I've been dying. I've been needing to see this movie, and I'm just so excited. I can't wait to see it. But I wanted to start off this whole little Pokemon thing with some Jigglypuff because I love Jigglypuff. Yeah, I'm obsessed. I just feel so cute right now. So if you guys want to see how I got this Jigglypuff inspired makeup look, please keep watching. So I already have on my foundation and eyebrows, contour, all that boring stuff. So let's move on to the very, very pinkness of this look. Also, I'm sorry if you hear little cat noises. I am cat sitting right now, and my friend's cat likes to talk. So just ignore that. I'm going in with a very pastel pink shadow, one that kind of really mirrors Jigglypuff's color, and I'm gonna start applying that all over my lid. Now I'm trying to keep this kind of roundish, so instead of applying it out like a cat eye like I normally would, I'm going around in a roundish circle because I'm trying to emulate the roundness of Jigglypuff because he is a balloon type Pokemon, and they're just really round. So I'm trying to keep my eyes as round as possible. I have super tiny eyes while Jigglypuff has super large eyes, so we're just gonna try to make this work. Then I'm going to go in with a deeper pink, and I'm going to start just bringing that in, really adding in that color. This is a brighter pastel pink shadow, and I'm just going to start putting that in the corners and just going again in that circle motion that we were doing before with the base. And then I'm just going to take a brighter, hotter pink, and I'm just going to put that over where we put those other brighter pinks. It's kind of just adding a medley dimension of pinks, just getting it deeper and deeper, lighter on the outside, deeper towards the inner. And I'm just apply that right in the center again, and then just window circular motions around the eye. Sorry about that, battery died. So let's get back to what we were doing. So I'm gonna go back in with that baby pastel shade, and I'm just gonna round out the corners again, just really accentuating the round shape of the. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a liquid eyeshadow. This one is Sunset Cove by Stila. And this one has a blue-pink shift, so this tie-ins to the pink and the blue of Jigglypuff. So he has the big blue eyes, and then it's pink. And I'm sorry if you hear more noise, literally these cats are going wild. I'm just gonna place that into the center of my lid. In a roundish shape, just emulating that Jigglypuff. Now to move on to the lower lash line where we're gonna play with those blues. Yeah. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with a teal eyeliner, and I'm just gonna run this throughout everywhere, all over the waterline, really making that pop of blue come out. We are doing Jiggly's eyes here, and Jigglypuff has the prettiest big blue eyes ever. I wish I had big eyes. Honestly, that's one thing I really wish I had. I wish I had bigger eyes. I have super tiny eyes, and I've always just wanted a big eyes. Like, I have a giant head. Why couldn't I get big eyes to complement my giant head? But it's fine, it's fine. We're gonna emulate Jigglypuff, have its essence on us by just putting a lot of blue on our waterline. And then we're gonna set that with another teal shadow. I'm just using my go-to one from the Little Twin Stars palette. You can literally use any teal shadow you want to. Literally sub any of these shadows. So many people make dupes for everything, so you should be able to find something in this color range. And like, if you don't have 50 billion shades of pink, you can get this kind of same effect with just one shade. Just like layer it lightly and just keep building it darker and darker. I just have a bunch of pink shadows because I don't know if you guys can tell, I really like the color pink. Now, I know Jigglypuff has really big eyes, and so you would think I would be going in with a white liner instead of the blue for the waterline to like make my eyes appear bigger, but we're not doing that today. I don't want a cartoony look. This is look inspired, and I really wanted to make sure I had the colors of Jigglypuff there, so I wanted to focus more on like the pinks and the blues. So for the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with a baby blue highlight shade. I'm just gonna put that in and pop it into the inner corner of the eye. And I'm gonna apply mascara and lashes off screen, and I'll be right back. Okay, now lashes are on. Now I only put them on the top lash, and I only did like the ends because I really wanted to keep it just cute and light and fluffy, and I wanted this blue to have a moment. It is just about this blue right now. And for anyone asking, I am using the lashes Eileen, and twinning is winning. Two can play at this game. I got these at Winn-Dixie. The Winn-Dixie in my area was going out of business, so they had like all beauty stuff on sale for 50% off. So your girl snatched a bunch of these lashes because they were like $1. It was fantastic. It was beautiful. I love cheap makeup. So now we're gonna go into my favorite part of any tutorial. We're gonna add some blush, and since this is a pink look, I get an excuse to wear pink grapefruit from City Color Cosmetics because it's literally my favorite blush in the entire world. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you would know this. I pretty much use it in every tutorial for a pink. And we're just gonna apply this all over heavily on the cheeks because we are a pink little Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff. Oh my god, I just love Jigglypuff so much. Literally the cutest Pokemon ever. Like if I was a Pokemon, I would be Jigglypuff. Or Clefairy, like I would be a tie between the two. Like those have always been the two I've always like identified with. And yeah, I just love Jigglypuff so much. I always get so talkative when I'm putting on blush. Don't forget your nose, you know, we're really going pink out. I'm gonna add also a little bit to the chin just to kind of tie in all the pink everywhere. So just a little pink moment. Honestly, just put some on the shoulders because why not? I love pink blush. Let's add some highlighter. We're gonna go back into the Never Give Up Your Daydream palette that we got the blue from, but instead of doing blue this time, we're gonna go in with a pink highlighter. Where is my highlighting brush? Oh, highlighting brush, where are you? I can't find it. As I said, I am cat sitting right now, so I'm not at my house. I'm at my friend's house. And so I'm working out of, sorry, hair in my face. I'm working out of a baggie, and I just can't find anything I'm trying to use. There it is. This is just a bag full of brushes. I'm so organized, like. But yeah, so we're gonna go in with a baby pink highlighter, and we're just gonna start applying it all over to the face because they gotta glow. Minerva, oh my gosh. Hi, this is Minerva. She really wants attention. That's why you've been hearing her this entire time. Yeah, what baby, what? What? Okay. Go play with your brother. Now we're gonna finish off this look with some lipstick, and I'm just gonna go in with a very cool pink. This is Little Twin Stars Lala. Oh my god, the packaging is coming off. No, don't do that, don't do that. That's like the hardest thing. Do you guys have problems with that? Like anytime you have cute lipsticks, every time I put it in my purse or something, like I can't keep packaging on it. And then in the center, I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of Pastel Pink by Anastasia. Just a little bit of it, because this lipstick is really sheer, so it's kind of annoying to wear. And this is the complete Jigglypuff look, and I feel so cute right now. Oh my god, guys, you don't even know how much I love Jigglypuff. Like, I just feel super, super cute, and just like, Jigglypuff is the cutest Pokemon ever. You can fight me on it, but literally, I just want a little soft round Jigglypuff. Honestly, it would help me with my sleeping too, because I have a hard time sleeping at night. So like, if I could just have a Jigglypuff so I could sing, I could fall asleep, and like, yeah, I'll deal with the repercussions. I'll have marker on my face in the morning. But like, it would just be so cute, right? Just have a little Jigglypuff. My god, imagine having like a Jigglypuff and a Snorlax. And then like the Jigglypuff puts you to sleep and you fall asleep with your Snorlax, and just make sure you have really good soap to get the marker off. This is just imagine. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I haven't seen Detective Pikachu yet. I'm going to be seeing it tomorrow. I just can't wait to see the Pokemon like coexisting in the world. Like I'm so excited to see this movie. I can't. But yeah, this is the final look. I'm feeling super, super adorable right now. I just really love Jigglypuff so much, and I'm so happy to finally do a Jigglypuff look. Finally doing a Pokemon look. I mean, I know I did the Pokemon Go series before, but like I've had like in my list to do like Pokemon inspired makeups. So if you guys would like to see any more Pokemon inspired looks, please comment down below what Pokemon you'd like to see, because there's a lot I could do. There's so many Pokemon to choose from. And I promise I won't only do pink ones, even though, you know, pink. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I would just be really, really proud of you guys. I hope you guys stay lovely. Bye!